In this video, I'll guide you on using trading bots on the Bitget platform. If you don't have a Bitget account, click the link in the video description to get $6,200 bonus when signing up. After successfully registering, you can go to the trading section and click on it to access the trading bot feature. Here you can create a bot or use the strategies provided below. Now, the spot trading bot has 42,000 users. You can click and use it. Just drag the amount you want to invest, or if you want to trade futures, click here and you can use this. Futures trading includes leverage. You can adjust the leverage here. Higher leverage means higher risk. It's best to keep it between 5 to 10. But you'll need a lot of capital. The lower the leverage, the higher the capital. Here, you need to switch to futures. We'll transfer all $15 here. We'll set it to 100%. Click config, and here's the information. It ranges from 118 to 125 with a leverage of 2. The profit on leverage is 2.75% to 2.83%. The capital is 15. If you accept, click config to proceed. There are many strategies here that you can use, and there are many more other bots. You can click through to view and learn more. If you need more detailed information, you can click on the corner up here with the bell icon. There are guides, lessons, and instructions that you can read before deciding to use the bot. There are many instructional articles and support classes that you can view in detail here. There's even a video and information below that you can read and learn before using the bot. Don't forget to use the link below to register for a Bitget account to receive a welcome bonus of up to $6,200. If you have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments below and I'll respond.